Hello scholars, I hope you all are fit and fine and taking a very good care of yourself. Today we are going to start our new chapter, but before that I want you all to please keep your book open while watching this video. It will help you to understand the things properly. Okay, so let's start. So scholars, today we are going to start our unit 5, Science and Technology. But before starting this unit, let me tell you that in our term 2 syllabus, we will do unit 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So let's start with the first exercise of unit 5, computer quiz. Here we have to tick right the answer and test our knowledge about the world of computers. So let's start with our question number 1. Which is the most widely used operating system for personal computers? I think you all know this answer. Yes, it is Windows. So please put a right tick on option B. Now let's move to question number 2. This is the name of an Indian supercomputer. Do you know which is the Indian supercomputer? It is Param 10,000. It is given in option C. So please put a right tick there. Now let's move to our question number 3. Extension .mpeg is used for which kind of files? Yes, you are absolutely right. .mpeg is used for movie files and it is given in option C. So please put a right tick there. Now we will see our question number 4. Who among the following is associated with Google? Do you know this answer? The answer is Larry Page. It is given in option A. Put a right tick there. Google was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin at Stanford University in California. Okay, now let's move to our question number 5. Which of these is a popular mobile operating system? I guess you all know this, isn't it? The correct answer is Android. Please put a right tick on option C. Now let's see question number 6. Java is a... What is the Java? Computer game, computer language or robo? Yes, you are right. It is a computer language. Please put a right tick on it. Now let's move to question number 7. BIOS is short for Basic Input Output System. It is given in option B. Please put a right tick there. Now let's see question number 8. Which of these is not a social networking website? Yes, I know you know this answer. It is google.co.in. So please put a right tick there. Rest of the two are the social networking sites. Now let's see question number 9. Which of the following figures represent the highest storage capacity? I think you know this answer because nowadays everyone is using the mobile data, isn't it? So the smallest is KB, then GB and then TB. KB, kilobyte, GB, gigabyte, TB, terabyte, and terabyte is the highest storage capacity. So please put a right tick there. Now let's move to question number 10. A program that filters the internet traffic for its content is known as... The correct answer is firewall. It is given in option C. So we have completed this exercise. Now let's move to our next exercise. So here is our exercise number 24. Test your scientific temper. Here we have to fill in the blanks to check our scientific quotient. Okay, so let's start with our question number 1. The science dealing with the study of sound is called. The answer is acoustics. Please write it here. Okay, now let's move to number 2. The largest gland in the human body is the answer is liver. Just write it here. Now let's see question number 3. The brightest star in the sky is. Do you know this answer? Yes, it is Sirius A. Now let's see question number 4. Entomology is the study of. Entomology is the study of insects. Write the answer there. Now let's move to question number 5. The human body consists of more than dash muscles. I guess you know this answer. Yes, you are right. It is 650. Now we will see our question number 6. The ozone layer protects us from excessive. Yes, you are right. It is ultraviolet radiation. Write this answer here. Now let's move to question number 7. The ore of lead is called. Do you know the ore of lead? What is it called? It is called galena. Now let's see question number 8. To treat and disinfect water, the municipal corporation uses dash gas. I guess you know this answer. No, it is chlorine gas. Now let's see question number 9. The study of cancer is called. The answer is oncology. The study of cancer is called oncology. Okay, now let's move to question number 10. The function of dash blood cells is to protect the body against diseases. Do you know this? These are white blood cells. Okay, now let's see question number 11. The nucleus of an atom consists of. I guess you have learned about this in your science class. It is proton and neutrons. Please write the answer there. Now let's move to our question number 12. The study of sensory perception of animals and its application in modern technology is called. The answer is bionics. Write it there. Now let's see question number 13. Ornithology is the study of. Yes, you are right. Ornithology is the study of birds. Now let's see our question number 14. The lowest possible temperature is. It is given in the help box also. It is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Now let's move to the last question of this exercise. The study of fungi is called. Do you know this answer? No, it is called mycology. Write the answer here. So like this we have completed this exercise also. Now we will move to do our next exercise. So here is our exercise number 25, inventions and discoveries. Here we have to match the following inventions or discoveries with the pictures of their inventors or discoverers. Okay, so let's start with our question number 1. The inventor of heavy hydrogen. Who was he? He was Harold C. Urey. It is given here in point number J. H.C. Urey. The full name is Harold C. Urey. Okay, so we will write J in front of 1. Now let's see our next one. Cosmic rays. Who founded the cosmic rays? He was Victor Hess. It is given in option C. So we will write C in front of 2. Now let's move to number 3. Quantum theory. Who invented quantum theory? Do you have any idea? No? He was Max Planck. It is given in option A. So write here A in front of 3. Now let's see question number 4. Who designed the atom bomb? He was Enrico Fermi. It is given in option B. So we will write B in front of 4. Now let's see number 5. Laws of electrolysis. Who invented this law? He was Michael Faraday. It is given in option G. Please write G in front of 5. Now we will see our question number 6. Smallpox vaccine. So who invented the smallpox vaccine? He was Edward Jenner, and it is given in point number F. Write there F in front of 6. Now let's see question number 7. High speed petrol engine. Who invented high speed petrol engine? Do you know this? No. Any guesses? He was Gottlieb Wilhelm Daimler. It is given in option E. Gottlieb Daimler. His full name was Gottlieb Wilhelm Daimler. So write there option E. Now we will see our question number 8. Radioactivity. Who founded this? Radioactivity? The answer is Henry Becquerel, and it is given in point number I. Okay, now let's see number 9. Dynamite. Who invented dynamite? Our answer is Alfred Nobel, and it is given in option D. So in front of 9 we will write D. Now let's move to question number 10. X-rays. Who invented X-rays? He was Wilhelm Röntgen, and it is given in option H. So we will write H in front of 10. So scholars, we have completed till exercise number 25 in this video. Now rest of the exercises we will do in our next video. Okay? So I request you all, please complete all these exercises in your book. Okay? Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye, scholars.